Who wants to be a starving artist? I want to be an artist but not starving. Who wants to be a creative and get paid for it? I do. But I want to earn a respectable amount for my work. I wanted to take the time to go over the many opportunities creative artists, designers, and illustrators have to make money online. There are a few types of money-generating activities we'll go over in this class. Passive income and active income. Active income can be freelance jobs or gigs. They could be side hustles, which are all the rage. Side jobs, part-time jobs, there are many names for active income generating activities. I like to think of side hustles as the opportunity to try out new business ideas that can eventually go full-time and maybe even eclipse or exceed our income that we're currently receiving. If we start to think of a side hustle as an opportunity to grow a new business and less as just extra income, we can start to elevate the way we think about making money. Passive income is a little bit different, and sometimes you can combine a side hustle or a side job into something that is passive and active in income. The key difference with passive income is once you create a product or service, and once you place it on the market, you will get continual sales and income from that product or service without much additional work or effort on your part. That's the key. Passive income is only passive if it does not require additional time to maintain. For example, if you want to teach an online course on Skillshare, for example, I place my class on Skillshare and I do not add any additional content. I will continually make money for every minute someone watches my class. I can do some upfront marketing and of course get it to trend, which will give me a great jump start. The money I make each month from that course is passive income. But let's say I'm a little more active. I give feedback to students, I do more promotion. Each month after a launch, I add more content. I now have a mix of both passive and active income. The passive income would have come without any additional efforts, but since I added a little extra work, I can add on top of that passive income additional active income to sweeten the pot. What is great about this is this will increase my potential for passive income as I slowly release more classes and build a following. Another example of passive income is, let's say I release an iPhone case design on a website called Society6. I receive $12 in sales from our iPhone product each month for every year, kind of on an average, without doing much additional promotions. The income I receive throughout the year is truly passive income. I added no additional work or effort outside of creating the case and putting it online. I can release other products and build a following on Instagram and Pinterest, so when I release a new product line, my sales triple without a huge amount of additional effort. That is where active income comes in. So you can see how you can work a lot less by creating passive income products and services to add to your overall income. As you get your income streams going, you can start to make less active income because you already have passive income from your library of products. Now that you know the difference between true passive income and active income, let's start to build our business ideas and maybe even start to build our library of products and services.